Welcome back to virtual learning experience of St. Joseph Senior Secondary School Piparia. I welcome you all in yet another experience of learning in EVS. So today our topic is chapter 3 games we play. Yes, I'm sure this is one of the favorite topic of each one of you including me. So we are going to discuss firstly about ways to relax. Exactly. Why is relaxation important? Key points today. Because we all are having busy life and we need to have some rest or sometimes to relax. Now we are going to discuss different ways to relax. Many people loves to watch TV, few wants to play games, and other perform various hobbies like painting, singing, etc. Now, as we all know that games are important and very helpful in maintaining physical fitness also. So, as per main of the topic, we are going to discuss more about games today. Yes, so first of all, let us discuss that how many types of games there. Number 1, we are going to discuss about team games. Team means it has a group of players or more than 2 players. Getting everyone? Now coming to the individual game, these are games in which a player plays alone or only with one opponent, for example golf, chess. Now we are going to discuss about national games. My dear children, if you play any games with your neighborhood, is it called national games? No. Actually, it is a games which is played by national teams and national player. Now, at last but not least, it is the one of the various aspects of games and you must have observed it that is games for girls and boys. Yes, we majorly see that the games of girls and boys are different when many people say that it is because of physical differences. That could be one of the reason, but I believe and I wanted to you believe and understand that the basic difference between girls and boys in games are team is because of dignity. It is only to respect each other's gender. Now we are coming forward to the types of games on the basis of place they are played in. As you can see, types of games. First is indoor games. It means it is the types of games which is played inside a room or building. For example, carom. Our next topic is outdoor games. In outdoor games, you have to go outside and play. There is a picture of cricket. I am sure that you all have to play cricket. Again, cricket is game which is played outside in the field. Now we are going to discuss about local games and sports. Local games are the games which are played in a particular area or region, for example, kho-kho, wrestling. Now let's talk about local martial art. These arts are sports that involve self-defense, meditation, fitness and character development. For example, judo and karate, Toda of Himachal Pradesh, Tanga Tha of Manipur. Now students, it's time to end the chapter. We will meet again soon. Till then, goodbye. Be safe, be healthy.